You know, moving from Cebu to Canada was a culture shock. And I'm not talking about the weather, though yes, minus 30 degrees is just God's way of saying, stay in Cebu, you idiot. No, I'm talking about how people talk to each other. In Cebu, we were raised to respect our elders. Every older person is sir or ma'am, even if they're not your boss, even if they don't want to be called sir, even if they're literally a 5-year-old selling street food. Ma'am, palit ko og kwek-kwek, respect. But in Canada, no. If you say sir or ma'am, they get offended. Excuse me, do I look old to you? And I'm like, ma'am, I don't know your skincare routine, okay? I'm just trying to be polite. It gets worse in schools. In Cebu, we call teachers ma'am or sir, but in Canada, the students just call their teachers by their first names. Imagine this. In Cebu, you say good morning, ma'am Liza. In Canada, some 8-year-old kid just waltzes in like, sup Karen? That's your teacher, not your Starbucks barista. And it's not just teachers. In Cebu, if someone has a title, we use it. Dr., Addy, Prof, NGR, even Kuya and 8. But in Canada, nope, everyone is just Bob. Professor Robert Henderson, PhD in theoretical physics. In Cebu, good evening, Professor. In Canada, yo Bob, what's up? Bob is not up. Bob is a respected academic, you little goblin. Honestly, the only place where Cebuanos and Canadians are the same? At the bar. Because after 3 drinks, we're all just saying the same thing. Bro, I love you, bro. So I figured it out. Canadians respect you after they've had alcohol. Cebuanos, we respect you all the time. And that, my friends, is why we are the better people. Thank you, good night.